Elena, a baker known for her melt-in-your-mouth pastries, stood at a crossroads. Her cozy bakery, nestled in the heart of the village, had been a fixture for generations. But lately, a shadow of regret hung over her like a stale loaf of bread. Years ago, Elena's dream was to travel the world, to learn the art of baking from different cultures. She had a scholarship to a prestigious culinary school in Paris, a ticket to an adventure that would broaden her horizons and elevate her craft. But fear had gripped her heart. Leaving the familiar warmth of her bakery, her family, and the comforting routine of village life had seemed like a terrifying leap into the unknown. So, with a heavy heart, she had declined the scholarship, choosing comfort over her deepest desire. Now, watching a young apprentice, Marco, devour cookbooks with a hunger for knowledge, Elena's regret intensified. Marco spoke of distant lands and exotic flavors with a spark in his eyes, a spark Elena recognized all too well, the spark she had extinguished within herself. One day, a traveling merchant, his cart overflowing with spices from faraway lands, stopped by the bakery. He spoke of a grand baking competition in a neighboring city, a competition that could change the life of a winner. A flicker of hope ignited within Elena. This could be her chance, a second opportunity to take a risk, however small. With a nervous excitement, she decided to enter the competition. The days leading up to the competition were a whirlwind of activity. Elena experimented with the exotic spices the merchant had brought, weaving them into her creations with a renewed passion. Marco, her enthusiastic supporter, helped her refine her recipes and presentations. The competition was fierce, filled with talented bakers from across the region. Yet, Elena's unique pastries, infused with the flavors of the world and a touch of her own village heritage, stood out. To her surprise, she won the competition. The prize? A month-long apprenticeship under a renowned baker in a bustling foreign city. Tears welled up in Elena's eyes, not tears of regret this time, but tears of gratitude for this unexpected chance. Elena's journey was a lesson learned. The regret of the missed opportunity had dimmed her passion, but it wasn't too late. Taking a risk, even a small one, could open doors she never thought possible. As she packed her bags, a newfound sense of excitement filled her. She returned to her bakery not just an award-winning baker but a woman who had finally embraced the risk, the journey she had always craved. The bridge she had once been too afraid to cross now led to a world of possibilities, a world seasoned with new flavors and experiences.